More where that came from. More where that came from.
Did you have to land the bastards? We have vivid memories of the last time they fell to ISIS. The men still unconvinced that there isn't a Mandalorian invasion. I'm glad we finally met up again. We will honor our end of the deal. The General is coming right now to brief. Thank you for coming.
It is an honor to meet you, Master Jedi. I trust that Colonel Tobin has made adequate arrangements for you. I understand you've already sent your people to deal with the Sith on the move. My plan is to divide my forces. My main body has many Sith soldiers and their masters. Also, it has many beasts that somehow the Sith control. I am going to take that body and assault the Royal Palace head-on. The casualties will be extreme, but we will break through, and also weaken the Sith tremendously. I want you to lead a detachment of my men that will take the sky ramp, then go to the palace via that route. You will have no Sith and no beasts. Your leadership and prowess will be the only chance they have. I know that you can do the job. You should make haste to the palace, because at any point they will have learned of your attack on their base on the Daxon Moon. Together, we will crush their army, and then we will retire. After that, it won't take the Sith long to realize they've been betrayed. But together, we will crush their forces, and then we will retaliate. Plans rarely survive first contact, much less 2 battles after that. Then we take stock and reevaluate